Good morning everyone. My name is Alireza and I will do implementation in MATLAB. So I will do four types of implementation. Two with the TSP model and two without TSP model. And I will use two different types of drones to check my time conditions. The first drone is V12 and its maximum flight time is 480 minutes, and the other one is uh, Phantom, and the maximum flight time of this drone is 30 minutes. So here I will start the implementation. So this is the output and our nodes in ground field. So you can see the green one represents the soil sensors, blue one represents the moisture sensors, and red one represents crop health sensors. And you can see the base station, which is almost 100 meter away from the ground, from the farmland. So here I define the farm size, number of sensors 20 each, that's mean overall is 60 sensors, and here the random coordination for all the sensors. So that means the sensors are scattered randomly all over the farmland. So this is the location of base station, that's mean 100 meter away from x-axis and 100 meter away from y-axis. Okay, so here I already mentioned the maximum flight time is the 480 minutes and drone speed is the 490. So total distance, first we cover the total distance 20, and then after drone visited all the nodes, then distance will add. So this is this is a for loop. That's mean drone should need to cover all the nodes within this time. And in for loop I also applied a time restriction. That's mean if the drone will not able to cover all the net within this time range, so that means he will return back to the base station before the drainage of its battery. So this is the plot drone movement to the sensor. So the animation that how drone moves from fly from base station and go to every nodes. So this is a more important thing. Pause for 2 minutes to collect the data at the sensor. So that's mean and drone will stay 2 minutes on every node. So that means it look like he is collecting the data. So here update the remaining time. So whenever the drone fly from the base station, it take time. So here you can see the updated time. After a few minutes the drone will update its time according to the condition we already applied there. Okay, this is mean return to the base station. The drone will return to the base station. Okay, I will explain this later. So you can see the drone fly from base station, go all the return back, and here you can see he visited all the nodes. Okay, so I will start the other implementation. Okay, return to the code. Okay, here calculate the total distance traveled. So here we calculated the total distance that traveled by the drone and the total time taken by a drone to complete all the nodes in minutes, and here the distance in kilometers. Everything is same in this code and this code as well, but here I applied the conditions and TSP model. That means drone will not go to the nodes randomly. It will go the nodes which is close to other node and find a shortest path. This formula will find a shortest path for drone to complete all the nodes within minimum time and with minimum distance. So here drone is flying from here and goes to the node nearest to it, not randomly. Okay, here in first result we can see the total distance traveled by the drone is 202,137 kilometers, and estimated time taken by drone and 397 minutes, and our maximum time limit speed is condition is 480 minutes. So that's mean don't cover all the nodes within this time frame. And This is our second implementation. It will take a time. In Australia, the farmland size is far more bigger than that, but we only use one drone, so we will use small land. If we use a bigger land, no drone and no algorithm gonna make it within time frame and within one flight. Okay, as you can see the difference, the total distance traveled by the drone is 497 kilometers and estimate time taken by the drone only 94. There's a big difference there. Okay, now we'll see the time conditions here. So we use the VTOL Phantom uh, Phantom drone here with only 30 sensors. That's mean 10 of each with without ESP. Okay, here our farmland and the random nodes. Here you can see we use very small land because the flying time of this drone is only 30 minutes and the drone speed is only 5 minutes. That means any type of drone, any type of algorithm could not make it on a bigger land. So you can see not enough time to visit all the sensors and return to the base station. So drone return to the base station without completing all the nodes. So here is the result of all the node. Okay, now same condition, everything will be same, but with TSP model we see how it works and how much time it will take to complete all the nodes here. We use here the smaller land because every algorithm also has some limitations. It will not cover the bigger land in like 10 to 15 minutes. And here the TSP model will apply it. Total distance travel also will show in kilometers and time in minutes, everything. Okay, only two. Okay, our implementation completed. So you can see the total distance traveled by the drone is 55 kilometers and estimate time taken by the drone is 21 minutes. So the drone completed whole farmland in only 21 minutes and our time restriction is 30 minutes. So that's mean we prove our condition and apply TSP model successfully. And that's all from my side. Thank you.